Bullish Moonriver cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $40.11 and $75.76 by 2030. Market examiners accept Movr could reach $31.19 by 2025. Bearish Moonriver market cost expectation for 2023 is $7.13. Moonriver presentation. The Moonbeam parachain utilizes the Movr system as a testing channel. The venture's goal is to give Moonbeam developers a steady air so they might begin testing and investigating their dApps. A parachain planned explicitly for the Polkadot framework is Moonriver. We should talk about the way this functions. It's specialized in central examination and the Moonriver cost figure. What is Moonriver? The Moonbeam idea was disclosed in June 2021, and after this, Moonriver was laid out. A changed Layer 1 chain called Moonbeam repeats the logs, memberships, keys, accounts, Web3 RPC, and other fundamental components of Ethereum. The framework grants software engineers to assess their developments in a certified, functional computerized market. Prior to delivering their works to Moonbeam, engineers can survey how well their application's capability under true circumstances and make essential changes. Moonbeam is eminently Polkadot's most intense savvy contract, likewise viable with Ethereum. Candle diagrams. Most brokers favor candle diagrams since they offer a larger number of subtleties than a fundamental line graph. Alice's value activity, most extreme, and least cost esteem are addressed by candles, which merchants can watch at different degrees of granularity. For example, you can choose a 1-hour candle diagram to see Moonriver's cost activity in 1 hour or a month-to-month candle example to see long-haul developments. The most well-known charts are 1 day, 4 hour, and 60 minutes. Moonriver's end and beginning qualities and the least and most extreme value Moonriver recorded during the given time are displayed on every candle. Noticing the light's color is additionally significant. The red candle shows that the beginning cost was lower than the end cost, while a green light demonstrates the inverse. Moonriver is an organization that the local area works itself. Clients can make ideas for working on any region of the organization. Clients can pick chamber agents, recommend component or cost changes, and pick how the local area depository ought to be utilized. One of the critical attributes of future DeFi networks is local area administration. These projects help in protecting nearby networks. Moreover, they ensure that those with the main stakes are heard. Moonriver ebb and flow cost. Moonriver is as of now worth $8.91 USD. Movr has moved 4.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,920,594. Moonriver is as of now positioned 373 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $56,587,760 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Moonriver to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Moonriver market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Moonriver Value Expectation 2023 Moonriver, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Movr cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $13.37. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $12.48 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Movr is supposed to have a base worth of $10.69. Moonriver Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Moonriver Movr cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Movr will before long outperform $22.28. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Movr's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Movr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.82 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.61. Moonriver Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $31.19 and Movr might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Movr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.52 and a low of $26.74 in 2025. Moonriver Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Moonriver effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Movr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Movr will be green in 2026. The Movr is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $40.11, with a base cost of $35.65 and a typical cost of $37.43. Moonriver Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Movr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $46.34 by 2027, with a base cost of $44.56 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Movr has a greatest value worth of $49.02. Moonriver Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $55.26. On the off chance that Movr figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $57.93. Neglecting to assemble the help Movr needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $53.47. Moonriver Value Expectation 2029. While Movr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $62.39 and a yearly cost close above $66.84 in 2029. Moonriver Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Moonriver will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $71.30 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $75.76, averaging out at $73.08. Moonriver Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Movr cost in 2031 is projected to be $87.34 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $83.78. And, with Moonriver now available, imaginative masterminds can analyze unafraid of disappointment. One of the best-in-class advancements available is parachain networks. Moonriver gives instances of how critical these test organizations will be for future client assurance. These indifferent variables will probably prompt proceeding with acknowledgement of Moonriver later on. What is the Moonriver cost today? Today, Moonriver is exchanging at $8.91 with an all-out market capitalization of $56,587,760. Is Moonriver a wise speculation? Moonriver ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Movr is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Moonriver at any point go? The typical cost of Moonriver might perhaps reach $12.48 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Moonriver might outperform $57.93.